is March 9, then ang current nila nga pricing, then ang available nila nga stocks, which is today man nga current Manila, kag ang ilang average sales per day. Mostly kasi man sa kanila na meron talagang increased which ranges from 5 pesos up until 13 pesos every gasoline station. Then so far actually kasama din natin yung city legal team, then with the city mayors, then also BCPO, then kasama din natin yung BPLO, nag-check din yung mga mayor's permit nila if updated. Part din ng process namin is the calibration every gasoline station. Ang mga data is 5 gasoline stations on target. So far, as of 12:35 PM, natapos kita namin